Want to host fitness, art, or coaching classes on your Wix site? Here's how to set it up fast using Wix Bookings. In your Wix dashboard, go to Bookings Services. Click Add New Services and select Class. Enter your class name, description, and duration. Set how many participants can join and whether it's a one-time or recurring session. Next, add your instructors. You can assign staff members and sync their calendars automatically. Choose your location, either in person, online via Zoom, or both. Set your price and payment options, then hit save. Now head to your website editor. Drag the bookings widget on your page and link it to your new class. Visitors can now view schedules, book a slot, and pay directly on your site. And that's how you set up classes with Wix Bookings. Perfect for trainers, tutors, and any group sessions in 2025.